1, 2, 3, cut. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a banana. First of all, I put my sugar here with margarine. I use this machine. No, yes. Now take it easy. Take it slowly. So it's banana. Somebody me hace mandar happy. So now I'm baking. And so big Zaraya Pera. Don't use Zaraya Pera. Those bananas from Monday Valley. Small bananas. You must use sweet bananas, Malawian bananas, and other bananas. Okay, let's continue, guys. It's banana loaf. Then you have to add a cup of flour. When I did the flour, what I did, I put flour in a I add 2 cups of flour. Then I put in my baking powder. What I do, I put my baking powder, a teaspoon of baking powder. But I want to make it a little bit different from you guys. I put a teaspoon of baking powder. Sorry, I'm splashing it all over. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I do aeration. You know what it is called, aeration? I just want to make my banana something like flavored. I put cinnamon powder. I'll add cinnamon powder. Just a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Yeah. Then I'll make it aeration. Aeration, I use this thing. Hey, I forgot the name of this thing. Truly speaking, I forgot the name of this thing. I do aeration. Aeration is my way I'm making this thing mix each other. I do aeration, not erection, but aeration. Right? I do aeration. You see? Mixing the two together. Oh, unfortunately, I forgot to take out my spoon. I put a little bit of soda. Do aeration. Then slowly but sure, I add my flour after aeration. Let's add my flour. Now I'm making the dough. That is something good. All the ingredients are there. Now be much. For all information, don't use the rapid. Then I add a glass of milk. Put the put fire. Hey, you make a ton of your mask my birthday. I kick an egg on my birthday. Jaman or new. 2 days. I don't know, 2 days. I'm using this one. I need my dough. Hey, this is splashing.